Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do palette bingo with the EmilyNoel83 the Once palette. I've done 2 looks, I've done a review on this. I just figured let's play around and see what shades I can pick out of here and play around with. So I am going to pull up my little wheel that I have here. Now I'm going to go across. So 1 through 6, 6 through 12, you know, so on and so forth. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump in so this video does not take long. Just so you guys know, I did my whole entire face minus my eyeballs and lips just so we can speed it up a little bit. So first one. Number 8, my favorite number. So that is dues paid, which is right here. I'm going to swatch as I go so you guys can see these swatches. All right, next shade. 22. So that one is right here, which is Heartbreak. Ooh, so far the shades are pretty. Next up. 21, which is Cheer, which is right there. Well, I guess we're definitely going to get a very warm shade. Look at those swatches, man. I should be getting an award for that one. Next up is number 15. So that one is 18, 17, 16, 15, which is Pizzazz, which is right here. Ooh. Okay, so there we go. One more shade. Ha! Which is Belle Violet. Okay, well, this will be interesting. So this is what I got here. So I ended up with 2 mattes and 3 shimmers, it looks like, right? Yeah? All right, let's rock and roll. So for the first shade I am going to grab is Dues Paid. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. That one is a bit powdery, but I do like it. So let's blend this in. I swore I heard somebody coming down. Oof. I tend to not blow my brush, and I did that time. Don't know why. I'm gonna go in with Cheer, which was the next shade we got, which is the other matte. And I'm gonna put this more concentrated in the crease. I have no idea how I'm going to incorporate Belle Violet into this. Oh, that'll be interesting. Oh goodness. I actually am thinking of what other palette you guys want me to do bingo with. You guys are gonna have to let me know. Alright. I don't care about the actual lid because that's gonna be a little bit different. Okay. What other shade? Got that one, I got Heartbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and Pizzazz. Oh, what shall I do? I think that I'm going to grab Belle Violet. Clean my brush. No, you know what? I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to grab Belle Violet and put this in the inner corner. Right here. We're gonna invent something here. I did not wet this, just in case you're wondering. I really should wipe these swatches. I'm gonna get it all over my shirt. And then I'm gonna grab Pizzazz. So I went with Belle Violet, and now I'm gonna go in with Pizzazz. The same brush, I just cleaned it off. I'm going to put this right next to it. I gotta pick up a lot of this color for it to show. Pizzazz. And now I'm going to go in with Heartbeat, which was the last shade I got. I'm going to put this in the lower lash line. That actually looks like it went with the other two shades I did on top. Out of all the colors, I ended up with all the reds. With Cheer, which is this red one right here. And I want to darken up the outer V just a tad. I'm going to pack that on. So that's the look. I'm gonna put some wing liner, lashes, and mascara, and then I'll come back and we'll do my lips. So I put purple liner in the waterline just to make the burgundy stand out more. I did a wing liner and I put lashes on, and I think for the lips I'm gonna use Mantra by Bare Minerals, which is like sort of like a brownish nude. See how it looks. So this is the final look. It was actually fun. I was hoping to get more of a variety, but it actually turned out really nice. I would have never thought to put Belle Violet with the rest of these burgundy shades, but I really liked how it looked and how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna do more palette bingos coming up just because I like doing that with palettes, just to have fun. Pick out different colors and shades that you don't expect to pair together. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will link and list this product and anything that I used on my face if I can remember what it is, because sometimes I forget when I edit. But I'll try to do my best to link everything I used on my face down in the description box. So thank you guys so much for watching. In the comment section, leave which palette you guys want me to do another palette bingo with. That way I can have an idea of what you guys want to see. So anyway, I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.